Everyone, in this lesson we will solve this equation before us, which is saying that x plus 9 all to the power of 2 is equal to 49, and our target is to find the value of x. Now, solving this to get the value of x is really an easy thing, and in this lesson I'm going to solve it in two different ways. Now, the first way of solving it, let us open up this bracket. This can be seen as x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 9, because the power is 2, everything is 49. Now x times x will give us x squared, x times 9 will give us 9x, 9 times x will give us 9x, and 9 times 9 will give us 81, everything is equal to 49. So we have x squared plus 9 is 18x plus 81 minus 49, everything is equal to 0. So this will now be x squared plus 18x. 81 minus 49 will give us 32, everything is equal to 0. This is now a quadratic equation, and we need to think of two numbers that when we multiply it we will get 32, and when we add it we get 18. Of course, the numbers are 16 and 2, because 16 times 2 is 32 and 16 plus 2 is 18. So we shall have x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 is equal to 0. So let's factor out x. So x into x plus 8, because 16 divided by into 16, 16 divided by 16x divided by x is 16, plus 2 into x plus 32 divided by 2 is 16, everything is equal to 0. So x plus 16 is common, you factor it out, into x plus 2, everything is equal to 0, right? Now, either x plus 16 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 16, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to minus 2. Now let us check to see if this answer is right. Let us make a check. Remember that the equation we have says x plus 9 power 2 is equal to 49, right? And we got our x as negative 16 and negative 2. So let's do the checking in two ways. So here, when x is equal to negative 16, so here we'll do when x equal to negative 2. So now we have x plus 9 will now be minus 16 plus 9 power 2. Will it be equal to 14? Let's find out. Minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. Will it be equal to minus 49? Sorry. Minus 16 plus 9 is equal to minus 7 power 2. And definitely this will give us 49. So this is correct. On the second side, when x is equal to minus 2, we will have minus 2 plus 9 all power 2. Will it give us 49? Minus 2 plus 9 is 7 power 2, and that is definitely 49, meaning that our solution is correct. So x can be minus 2 or x can be minus 16. These are the solutions to this. Another way to solve this particular problem is maybe second method. Let us see another way this question can be solved. So remember, we have x plus 9 all to the power of 2 is equal to 49. This is what we have. X plus 9 all to the power of 2, everything is equal to 49. Now, in solving equations, anytime you have a power of 2, you can take the square root of both sides in order to clear the power of 2. So we can say, take the square root of both sides, we will have x plus 9 all to the power of 2 equals, as you're taking square root of the right hand side, that should be plus or minus square root of 49. Remember, now from this we can now have that the square root cancels the square, and this is just this is x plus 9 equal to plus or minus. What is the square root of 49? Of course, the square root of 49 is 7. Okay, the square root of 49 is 7. So now our x, I'm going to take this minus 9 to the right hand side. And remember, that this, I'm going to take the plus 9, sorry, to the right hand side. And this 9 is positive. When it comes to the right hand side, it turns to negative. So x is equal to plus or minus 7 minus 9. And there are two cases. Case 1 and case 2. There are two cases. For case 1, we have plus 7, right? So x is equal to plus 7 minus 9. And 7 minus 9 is minus 2. For case 2, x is equal to minus 7 minus 9. And minus 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 16. So you can see, if you scroll up here, you remember that when we solve with the first method, we got x as minus 16 and also got x as minus 2 as the solutions. And now we solve again for x using a different method. We got x as minus 2 and x as minus 16, meaning that the two methods gave us the same solution. So you can now see that solving problems like this is really not a difficult thing to do, okay? So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always be notified anytime I upload a new video, all right? Thank you and bye.